So today was supposed to be outside sheathing day and the weather had other plans.
So today is inside sheathing day. We're gonna essentially make a little attic area in the front here and finish that off.
So today's gonna be full of just finishing up odds and end projects, getting some buffets finished up, and all of the little shiplap and beadboard situation we have to work on. Pull your little feet in. So I threw out the board that Deb cut for this because I was cleaning up, so now we have to make another one.
I'm just gonna trace it from the inside here while she holds it. To get this angle, I don't do any fancy math. All I do is measure this corner, which is 2 inches. Then I'm gonna come over 48 inches, which is the width of my board. And then I measure up from there. And I put 2 inches down on the bottom over here, and whatever this measurement is, and that's where I cut and draw a line diagonal, and that's how you get that angle.
A rainy day is the perfect excuse to get indoor stuff finished.
Does that line up down there? All right, nail that in. I will cut this after.
All right.
That will be easier. Let's see, was this a Waste Not Wednesday project where we fixed the harp?
Yes, it is, and I've decided that I'm going to get it out of here before it gets wasted.
Is that beeswax, the Sweet Pickens?
Yeah, it is. We milk painted this, so it's pretty chippy. Wax is the best option to seal it with, and I am going to get this out of here and into the shop because we sold a dresser last week.
Well, and I still need to find the bolts. I'll probably go down and pick those up. Hopefully Lowe's has something that works. They're usually pretty good about having hardware for furniture, so we'll check their furniture section on bolts.
Yep, at the very least, I'm getting it out of here. Let's go to the shop.
So this is gonna be the dining room where Jamie's standing right now, and she had me wire up some wall sconces because it's gonna be kind of hard to hang a chandelier of any sort off of that beam.
And I didn't know if we wanted to do matching sconces or if I wanted to do different just to kind of make it look different. So I love these because they're chippy and mirrored, but I'm gonna need Zeb to hold this up here, and then I gotta stand over there and look at both sets of sconces at the same time. So I have to decide if I'm going to do this one, which is different, or if I'm going to do the matching one. So Zeb's gonna hold it up here and then I'm gonna stand away and look.
So we have those sconces over there that are hiding halfway behind the vanity that we're doing. And I will hold these. Oh, they come pre-wired again.
Yeah, they're made.
How does this one hang? Oh, well that's easy. It just hangs from a hook.
What?
And I'll just run the wiring right into there. Okay. So
me...
that's gonna be about where it can hang because of the hook situation.
So I actually like them different because this is a different room. What do you think?
Yeah, it works for me. The leaves on them is actually really similar.
Yeah, they have a similar design, and they might get repainted, they might not because they're a little bit creamier, but I say yes. And I'll put the same IKEA bulbs in them.
Okay, do we have more bolts?
No, we'll have to steal those.
All right, so I'm gonna continue carrying this shiplap plywood slash T111
Whatever
siding.
you call it.
It's a huge debate right now. So on our little, on the little UPC on the back of the board, it says plywood shiplap. Maybe they just renamed it for our store, I don't know.
Whatever you call it, it's going up. So you need me to go pick up a few things.
So we need trim, because we're gonna try to trim out the window today. And I also need you to go make a selection on hinges. They're gonna be exposed, because I have to hinge this out and it'll recess back in. So they have to be something either very small or something that you love.
Okay, I can do that. You need 2 hinges?
At least 3. Jamie came back with these hinges, so I'm gonna get them put on and we will get this door up there. Oh, it might need a little sanding, it's tight. There's the max egress right there, but that's fine because I can get in there, insulate, work on the lights if I need to.
Well, we'll sand it later, we'll paint it today.
Priming the last piece.
So much primer.
And then we gotta paint it, and then we gotta trim it.
You know what? We have 0 pieces of shiplap to put up in here, and I am real happy
Yeah,
about that.
these are the last pieces of shiplap getting primed. Everything else is getting tile in the kitchen, or it will be under cupboards and won't matter.
It's the last bit of shiplap in this part, but then we got the shiplap in the new part. But I'm just keep telling myself this is gonna be a lot easier in the new part because the walls will be straight, right, Seb?
Sure.
Okay.
All right, so when I built this wall, I didn't know exactly what kind of trim we were going to be going with or how I was going to finish this off. So I went a little large.
Well, it's better to go big and then go small.
So that's a giant size shim, but it'll bring it down to the depth we need.
I don't think you call that a shim.
No. Jamie is painting over the silicone and filling in all the little gaps and cracks with paint. And I am going to get these sconces hung right here. And these sconces are much easier. They come pre-wired. I'm going to wire ours right into the light switch, but if you just want to plug them into the wall, you can. And this,
Are you gonna film this?
oh, it's filming.
It is. Oh, hi people.
And this, and the smooth wire, when you don't have like a colored wire system going, the red wire goes to the white or neutral grounded wire.
Dad is teaching you electrical right now.
And the smooth wire that doesn't have a rib, you can feel it's got like a little
Oh
rib
yeah,
on
the
it.
little grooves.
Yep. Sometimes it'll have like a white stripe or something on it. But the smooth wire goes to the black or the hot wire.
Cool.
Can you go grab me the plate? We'll get that screwed on there. All right, find the rib.
This one.
Okay, and then put those two wires together and twist them together. Okay, then spin that wire nut on there till it grabs both wires. And they won't pull out. Okay, can you pull that wire out? Can you pull either of those wires out of that nut? Which wire goes to the hot wire?
The smooth wire.
And what color is the hot wire typically?
Black.
But it can also be red.
Red hot.
There's a few other colors too, but for most purposes, like with your ceiling fan or your lights, it's just going to be red or black.
Oh.
Bring it here, hit that thing and bring it back out half an inch. Too much juice.
This one? I didn't realize it was temperature sensitive. I thought that it only had one mode.
All right, Odelia, pull the tape off. We'll see if mine comes on and if yours comes on.
Oh.
Hey!
Both a little crooked, they're gonna need a little more. All right, guys, as promised, here is a tour of our upstairs. Zeb has it all framed out and he's starting to get the sheathing done today.
I still got to cut out some windows.
Yeah, if you see the sheathing over the windows, that's why. So when you walk up the top of the stairs, this is where all the YouTube editing is gonna happen. This is gonna be Zeb's loft space with his computer and editing desk. That way he's kind of hanging out with the family for the many, many hours he spends editing YouTube videos. Coming this way, this is our master bedroom. We have it designed to fit our king size bed in between the two windows, and we'll have a nightstand on each side. The first room off the master bedroom is the master bathroom.
Watch out for the doors. I've got them laying down so they don't blow over.
Yeah, we had to fit all the old doors in here.
I brought them upstairs so I could make sure I was getting the door jams right.
Okay, so this is going to be where the vanity is and maybe a closet or some shelving unit over here. Ginormous tub over here, water closet, and then a ginormous shower. This is our ginormous shower here. We'll have a bench in there. Probably the boys will have some epic shower fights in there. I don't have that many clothes, but this is the master closet. It will also have a mini fridge and microwave, probably the most important thing.
And microwave.
Yeah. As you come out the master bedroom, we're gonna have a banister to the left.
All along right there.
So this will all be open here. And then to the right is the kids' bathroom. The kids' bathroom is actually going to feature the clawfoot tub that originally was in the home. And we've got it set up to have the vanity in here. The clawfoot tub will be in a separate room, so that way if one kid is showering, another kid can be brushing their teeth. They'll be separated by a door.
Odelia left her soda over in her room.
I know, Odelia was out here the other day drinking a soda. This is Odelia's room. It's just a square. It's got a closet, a couple windows. It overlooks that gorgeous barn over there. Actually, I like old barns.
Hers is the only room that has a traditional closet, but we ended up putting 2 doors that open out, so.
We're not gonna do any sliding doors. Every closet will be using antique doors. So this will have 2 big antique doors that open up. Down the other hallway, we have the laundry room / linen closet. I actually designed this house not to have a linen closet. All the linens, the cleaning products, the brooms, the vacuum, everything's just gonna be in here. And I love that because I figure I can wash and dry the towels, fold them and put them in here, and the kids can just take them in the bathroom as they need them. Across from the laundry room is Eliza's bedroom. She has a big double window here that Zeb's gonna cut the sheathing out of. It's got room for her bed and a crafting station because Eliza loves to craft. And then this is her closet. It's not huge, but it'll be a walk-in closet and it'll have plenty of space for hanging, cubbies, and hooks.
The boys have the biggest room upstairs other than the master. I still need to put a large closet over here, but we left it like that so that we can fit 2 bunk beds in here.
So we're gonna have a double bunk. So there'll be bunks on this side and then bunks on that side. So there'll be 2 sets of bunk beds in here. And for cousins, sleepovers, maybe eventually when all the kids move out, this will be the grandkid bunk room. And then they'll have a big long desk here for schoolwork and then a mouse hole that leads to the little kid playroom. See if he can fit.
It's large enough for big kids too.
So this is the boys' playroom. It has 2 big picture windows. It's going to have a rock wall in this corner. It does not have a closet because it's not necessary and I needed the space for the laundry room over there. We'll have a big net here, so when they climb up the rock wall, they can hang out in the net, and then tons of Lego storage over here, and then probably video game system over here with craft supplies below. So this playroom is not just for the boys, it's gonna be a shared space for the boys, and I'm sure Eliza's gonna come in here. They all love to play video games and they come up with elaborate games and stuff with their friends. So this will really just be the kids' playroom, and I want to keep a majority, if not all, of the boy toys in here. All right, this is the grand reveal of the ginormous tub.
The tub came today.
Made large enough that Zeb can lounge in it. We are not unwrapping it, but it is a standalone tub, and Zeb can lay in it and stretch his legs out.
Hopefully. You know, it looks like I'll still have to sit up. There won't be any laying.
Well, I mean, you can't lay down flat, but your legs should be able to be covered.
Next tub in the next house, right?
It would fit a bigger tub. The kids' tub is over there.
The kids' tub is smaller, but like 8 times heavier. So the wall is done, mostly. We still have to trim out the door and that window over there and that window, but you know, it's coming along.
But it's gonna come along super fast now because my dad is in town. He's the construction supervisor, so things are definitely getting done. Make sure you guys hit up JamiRayVintageHome.com. You can pick up these sconces as well as a ton of awesome home decor and clothing. And also, as always, JamiRayVintage.com for all the paint and products you need for all your DIYs. Be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Jami Ray Vintage for more
DIY. They're on to me.